Hello. Today we will see input group. Earlier we have seen range example, checkbox, no radio button, etc. We have seen. Now we will see input group. So for this I am taking same example, that is radio check.html div.mb3 bottom margin we can define. Next, you need to take div dot class equal to input group we need to take. So input group, enter. Now class we have defined. Then we have to define span dot input group hyphen text. So this one we need to define, and inside this input type equal to text. And the class we already know this, whenever input type is needed, form control we need to define. Next, placeholder we can define. So here type username we can define so that it is user friendly for the user to understand. Now run and see this one. What will happen, you will be able to see. So go live and see, we got type username. Some mistake happened, let me correct it. So div class input group I have taken, and input group text I have taken, input text form control placeholder. So span, yeah, label we have missed it. So here username we have to define username. Now if you see, this is username and type username. We can type the username. Sometimes in your website, whenever you visit your website, sometimes username will come as right. So how we can make it as right? So copy same code and see. So here what we have to do is, this one we need to bring it down. This one we need to bring it down. So here we'll be able to see type username, and username is here. Okay, like this we need to define. So earlier one front, and now it is moved to username. Suppose in websites you will be able to see pricing details also, like pricings you can take this one. So username we can define as a dollar symbol, and here some 15,000 or 25,000, some $25,000, and we will be also defining text here .00. So if you are seeing this $25,000 like this, it is correct, $25,000.00. Okay, suppose sometimes we will be seeing at the rate of Twitter. Okay, so at the rate Twitter, what we have to do is, we can take this one and copy paste. So first one is username, and this one is occurring as this one. So here you can give as at the rate, and one more button you can give, and here you can type twitter.com, Twitter. So now you go and see, you will be able to see at the rate Twitter. You will be able to get it as at the rate Twitter, isn't it? Suppose checkbox you need to define. So you need to define as input type is equal to checkbox, and then rest of the things will be different. So same copy paste the code, beginning code you can copy paste and copy paste here. So input type equal to checkbox. So now you can see checkbox. So here class form check input we need to define like a input type class form check input. Okay, so like this we'll be able to take. So what we have defined here, only checkbox and class name is changed. That is the reason it is. So if you want to make it front, you can make it. Here I make it as a last. Suppose you want to make it, then you can do like this. It came as a front. So we can do like this. Now radio button also we can make it. Suppose for radio button, you can make like an input type radio. Rest of the things will be similar only. So this is a radio button. This is a checkbox. This is how we are doing. Suppose you want to increase the size, width, this text box size you need to increase. So go to style class. You can put some here, some width you can put 20 m. So already 20 rem I put. So here come here. So this is the one class. So H10 I put. So it is increasing where it's not increased. Suppose last one you want, this one you need to increase H10. So this is H10 or not? Yes, H10. You have defined as H10. So here it gone. It is increased as a radio button. So radio button we should not apply. On a text box we need to apply. So where is the text box? Input type equal to text box. So here you can increase H10 Twitter. So here it is increased. On Twitter I have kept on a Twitter. So increase it to this much. Okay. Suppose if you want to reduce, you can say decrease the size 20 rem to 10. You can declare. So this is how we are using. Suppose this size also you feel that very bigger. Username and bigger size. If you want to make it as a small size, that also possible. You can make it as a SM. Group text as SM. This is the one. So you can make this one as input group SM. It will decrease the size. It has been decreased. You can compare this box and this box. It has been reduced. So this is how we are using the input group, and some other examples we will see in next session. Till then, thank you.